Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Gurudeva online classes. Dear student, in previous class we have completed exercise 2.3. Now I am going to take a new point, division of fractions. Dear student, see, we have learned how we can multiply fraction to fraction, how we can multiply fraction to whole number, how we can multiply fraction to improper fraction, how we can multiply fraction to mixed fraction. These all points we have learned in previous class. Now we are going to discuss here division of fraction. Dear student, see, we have to know how we can divide fraction by fraction, how we can divide fraction to whole number. These all points we have to learn, we have to discuss in this class. Dear student, see, I am taking here one small example. Dear student, here Padmavati has a paper of length 6 centimeter. Okay, she cuts this paper in smaller size of length, only 2 centimeter length she cutting here. Okay, how we can find out how many pieces she will getting here? Dear student, this is very easy. See, this is 6 centimeter. When we dividing 6 centimeter by 2 centimeter, we will getting here 3 pieces of paper. Next, she taking same length. She taking same length paper 6 centimeter. She cuts this paper of length 3 by 2 centimeter. Then how we can find out how many pieces she will getting here? See, she will getting here 6 divided by 3 by 2. Okay, we have to divide here whole by 3 by 2. 12 plus 3, 15 by 2. 2 divided by 3 by 2. See here, we are getting here 15 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 pieces she will get. Dear student, we have to know here, we are required to divide a whole number by a fraction. We have to divide here fraction by fraction, or we have to know here how we can divide whole number by a fraction. We have to know here how we can divide whole number by a fraction. Dear student, how we can divide a fraction. These all points we will learn in this class. I am taking here first point, division of whole number by a fraction. Dear student, let us see if we have to divide a whole number by a fraction. In that moment, how we can divide whole number by a fraction. See, dear student, I am taking here a small example. See here, example 1. 1 divided by 1 by 2. Dear student, see, I took here whole number, we have to divide here 1 by 2. All pieces we have to divide. Let us see one picture here. See, this is the circle. This is the circle. We have, this is the whole. This is the one completely circle is 1. This is the whole. Okay, we have to divide here half part. When we cutting this circle into 2 parts, we are getting here half part each. 2 parts we are getting here. This is half. This is also half. See, let us see this solution. 1 divided by 1 by 2 is equal 1 into 2 by 1. Now we can multiply here. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. Numerator is 1. Okay, this is 2 pieces we are getting. When we dividing whole, okay, dear student, in this problem I have taken here reciprocal for 1 by 2. Reciprocal means we have to interchange numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. This is we will call reciprocal. I took when dividing any fraction, we have to take reciprocal to divide. Okay, see, next I am taking here reciprocal of a fraction. Reciprocal of fraction. Reciprocal of a fraction. See, dear student, in previous example I taken here, the number 2 by 1 can be obtained by interchanging the numerator and denominator. The number 2 by 1 can be obtained by interchanging the numerator and denominator. Reciprocal. See, another example. See, example 4 by 5. What is the reciprocal? We have to interchanging, we have to inverting these numerator and denominator. Those we will call reciprocal. See, 4 by 5 reciprocal is 5 by 4. I changed here, I interchanged here numerator to denominator. Then 4 by 5 reciprocal is 5 by 4. Let us see another example. 8 by 9. What is the reciprocal is? What is the reciprocal? Reciprocal is 9 by 8. Okay, see, dear student, here also I interchanged here. I am interchanging here numerator to denominator. See, we can say that 8 by 9 reciprocal is 9 by 8. Okay. When we dividing any fraction to fraction, when we dividing any whole number to fraction, when we dividing any fraction by a mixed fraction, we have to change here, we have to convert here, we have to interchange the numerator and denominator to divide the fraction. Okay, this is will call the reciprocal of a fraction. Let us see another example here. See, if I will take 5 by 4 divided by 4. Dear student, see, when we interchanging, when we taking the reciprocal, then 5 by 4 into 4 by 5. 4 cancel, 5 cancel, we are getting here only 1. We are getting here 1. Then we can say that the non-zero numbers whose product with each other is 1 are called reciprocal of each other. So reciprocal of 5 by 4 is 4 by 5. So this statement, to divide a whole number by any fraction, multiply that whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. To divide a whole number by any fraction, multiply that whole number by the reciprocal of a fraction. Dear student, write down this statement. Next. Dear student, if we have whole number, division of a fraction by a whole number. If we have fraction, we have to divide by whole number. In that moment, how we can divide? See, let us see one example. I am taking here one example here. 3 by 4 divided by 3. Now, see here, 3 by 4. Denominator is 1. See, when we are changing the numerator to denominator, we are getting here 1 by 3. Now we have to multiply here. 3 ones are 3 and 4 into 3 are 12. This is the solution. Okay, dear student, if we have divided fraction by a fraction, how we can divide? See, let us see another example here. Here 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. See, 2 by 5 we have to interchanging numerator to denominator. When we interchanging the numerator to denominator, we are getting here 2 by 1. When we multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator, we are getting here 2 2s are 4 by 5 into 1s are 5. This is the solution. Okay, dear student, if we have to divide fraction by a fraction, in that moment we have to take here reciprocal. After that we have to multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Then we are getting here 4 by 5. If, dear student, if we have to divide any mixed fraction, in that moment how we can divide? Let us see another example here. One example here, I am taking an example here. 2 by 7 divided by 2 whole 1 by 3. 3. See here, we have only the mixed fraction, how we can divide. Dear student, see, if we have mixed fraction, we have to convert as a improper fraction. After that, we have to do here reciprocal. After that, we have to take reciprocal. After that, we have to multiply here numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. See, I will solve this example here. See, 2 by 7 divided by 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. See, I converted this mixed fraction as a improper fraction. After that, we have to take here reciprocal of this fraction. Now I am taking here reciprocal 2 by 7 into 3 by 7. Okay, after that we have to multiply here numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Then we are getting here 2 into 3 is 6 and by 7 into 7 49. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, dear friend, in this class I completed here division of fraction. In next class I am solving your exercise 2.4. Thank you.